How to submit a ticket in GCash for account issues. Having trouble with your GCash account? Here's how to quickly submit a support ticket. First, open your GCash app and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and select Help Center. On the next screen, tap Submit a Ticket, or go to the bottom and choose Still Need Help? Contact Us. You'll see a form. So now fill in your email address, GCash registered mobile number, and full name. Next, under Concern category, choose the issue type like Account Locked, Failed Transactional Verification Problems. In the Details box, clearly explain what happened. Be specific. Include dates, amounts, and any error messages that appeared during the issue. If needed, tap Attach a file to upload a screenshot as a proof. And once done, tap Submit, and you'll receive a confirmation via email with your ticket number. Keep that handy for follow-ups. And that's how to properly submit a support ticket in GCash for any account issues. Thanks for watching.